Okay. Going. This RV looks nice. I'm gonna stay inside it. When did this RV get any stairs? I'm driving the RV. Yo. You. Eee. Eat. Well, it looks like I'm saying yee, but I'm really saying yeet. Check out that meme. Hi. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. And I'm cool. And I'm recording. And I'm recording. Oh no. Oh no. Everybody run! Run! Ah! Follow me if you don't want to die. It's gonna blow away. Really damages it. Run as fast as you could. There's a wall here. Gonna die. This one's alive. Yay! I can fly. When did we learn to fly? Now we can see this tornado. Oh god, it's coming our way. Oh god! Oh god! It just destroyed the trailer. It just obliterated the trailer. Just everybody run. Run as fast as you can. Oh god. Oh no. Everybody. The tornado's coming our way. Wait, hold on. It just obliterated some trailers. Just destroyed our trailer. I was just talking to a guy. Oh jeez. 15, 14, 13, 12, 13, 10. Oh god, I have 10 seconds. Oh god. Oh jeez. Oh god. I need to run. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. And it just didn't destroy this place. And I just felt. Oh my god, look at me. I'm bald. I'm not baldy. It's like this is the future where everyone dies. Received. Yeah. Gee, yeah, someone's ahead. Yeah, whatever.